I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. Today, early in the morning, God has invited us at His house and teaches us the excellent lessons for benefit of entire human beings and all living beings. And after then, God instructs us to convey this message for benefit of entire human beings and happiness of all living beings in the seven beautiful world. So today we will see importance of countries, potentialities, capacities, countries' values in the world at large. Why some negativities and problems comes in countries? What are the solutions for removal of such negativities and problems from countries? Now, importance of countries. Boundaries of all countries have been made marked by mankind, not by God. If we understand that country has made as a part of works distributions for providing welfare and happiness to all living beings within countries, then it will be more purposeful, meaningful. All countries play as a welfare state if they all works together as a global family members. After forming country, people of those countries can bring out all resources from nature within their countries and utilize economically for happiness of their people and people of the old world too. After forming countries, if there will be healthy competition, so people can get quality and noble people and best qualities goods available for happiness of people and entire humanity. Country can be developed if implement best planning and administration and utilization of their main powers, mind powers, money powers and material powers within countries. Now potentialities in countries. As a welfare country can produce huge quantity of food grains, clothes, houses, so that people of country and entire world can get such basic living things at cheaper rates. Country can provide health related materials and medicines at the time of pandemic and panic situation worldwide virus diseases like India has given his hydrochloroquine tablets free of cost to 120 countries for saving humanity from coronavirus situations. A country provides some noble spiritual leaders and political leaders. Those together can prevent wars among many countries. Such noble leaders can make unity among all countries. So all humanity can get safe and happy lives. Now, capacities of countries. Countries can help provides noble services to other countries at the time of natural calamities and man-made calamities and save humanity and all living beings too. Countries can send their soldiers for peacekeeping in the world and development works in needed countries. Countries can provide foods, clothes, medicines at the critical time and situations in any countries. Countries can provide trade wars. Countries can prevent, not provides, but country can prevent trade wars and provides smooth, harmonious lives in all countries. Countries can bring all countries under one united umbrella as a global, one strong and happy family. Now, values of countries. Countries can spread all types of knowledge regarding protections, regarding productions, supply channels in the world through their powerful media channels. Countries can purify environments by their scientists and cooperation of people in the world too. Countries can love, care, provides safety to all living beings in the world. Country can play a great role for establish peace by spreading powers, giving all materials to all people of the world. Countries can provide all kinds of necessities to all living beings and give happiness to all. Countries can give all types of educations, supplies, production equipments and related all kinds of material, so people's empowerment can increase. Countries can give all kinds of facilities to spiritual big dignitaries, so such spiritual persons can teach his people to be equal to God, meet with God and get pleasureful lives in all countries. Why some negativities and problems comes in countries? Overpopulations may create many problems in countries. World recession always affects in countries' economy. Biological weapons sometimes released from laboratories and spread worldwide viral diseases. Selfish leaders leads to countries divisions and provides human losses and property losses too. Some countries rulers extends their boundaries illegal ways, so wars played among many countries. Some rulers rule by discriminations policies over people, so imbalances creates riots, fightings, disturbances in countries inside. Terrorism from outside countries and inside countries creates problems in many countries. Wars among countries always spreads negativities, hatred, revenge feelings and create many problems in many countries. So some solutions for removal of negativities and problems from countries. All governments must make laws and enforce such laws which laws control over populations in countries. All people of the world must be work together, save money and invest in productive purposes so the economic cycle can run constantly and remove recession period timely. Enforce international laws for prevent production of any types of biological weapons in any laboratories in the countries. Spiritual and noble leaders must meet and convince to selfish leaders for not make divisions of countries for their own wishes. All countries must be united and make pressure and convince those countries are expand their boundaries by illegal wages. Spiritual and social and noble people must come in political systems so they rule over people without any discriminations and justify all sections of people and all citizens. All countries must fight against any types of terrorism in any countries and remove terrorism unitedly. Some spiritual and some noble social servants and some strong and noble rulers must come at united forum and convince timely to those countries rulers wishes to play fight wars among countries. Such all measures can remove negativities and solve all types of problems from all countries. I am praying to all my lovely people of the world. Please share your noble experiences of your noble lives and noble ideas, noble techniques, noble knowledge, noble thoughts on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +919898375375. You can share your noble experiences on my WhatsApp number. I am repeating my WhatsApp number +919898375375. I am just performing my humble duty allotted by God as a mother of the world so that I am taking care of entire human beings and all living beings in the world. Just I am performing my duties allotted by God as a mother of the world. So this message I received from God, from house of the God. This message came not in my own mind, but this message I received, I teach from house of the God, from God. So just I am performing my humble duty. I am praying to Almighty God, hey God, please make your blessing showers to entire human beings and all living beings in the world, so that all living beings can get pleasureful life and get relief and relaxation from coronavirus situations as present in the world. So, hey God, please make your shower, your blessing showers on entire all living beings in 7 beautiful world. We will meet from time to time. Up to that time, goodbye, God bless, God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.